key to press, then I think I can go up Taijim 8 dan today. Oh, his result is also amazing. He need to win 5 more games, then he can go up 8 dan. 5 minutes, okay, accept. I'm gonna handle black this time. It's first time I can handle black today. I am black, he is white. Fine. Okay, still there are not many like. If you are enjoying to watch, please press like, everybody. Then I will get energy and win this game. Joseki. Thank you. But still there are not many. Please press more if your finger is not so tired. Thank you from Poland. I use same Joseki as him. Same Joseki. Okay, and then invade here. Oh, I like this opponent. He plays so fast. Okay, starting from now is hard. Jump. Just answer, it's nothing special. It seems Tetsuji actually is making worse. Black is stronger, white is getting weaker. Extend or connect. Extend. It's very sharp. It's good. Now until now he's really good. Are you not gonna answer here? Fine. In order to bid here, I have to bid another side. Still, it may not work. Okay, I understand. Should I play Kusumi or just capture? Which one is better? Capture? Follow no more. Sure? Atari is okay? Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This. Okay, capture then. You will jump, right? Jump. Kusumi. Push. Oh, ignore. Fine. Wow. Really? It's getting weaker. You made the insurance here. Just give me 2 eyes, okay? I give you. Wow, even I gave you chance just now, but you didn't make 2 eyes. Are you sure? Fine, then you gave me chance to kill, right? Then just answer. Kill. Okay, now what if I play tiger's mouth and jump, push, and cut, connect, and here. Here again, attach here. This, cut. Nothing special. Here. Push, cut. Okay. Which one is best for getting one more eye here? Maybe just play here is best, I think. Okay, white doesn't have two eyes. You were too much just now. Give you. Yeah, I love it. GG so fast, I love it, really. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Even Tetsuji is all making sense. This and you may hane, cut, push. Here. Atari here, this one. But what about I just cut here? Is it ladder or not? Ladder do not work. Then can I play here or not? Or play here? But this is so ugly. Somehow I don't want to play here. It's good move. Okay, just play here. Let you connect lower side. I will fly away at the center. Okay, make all the things sente first. Sente. And fly away. How? Around here. Can you give me push and cut? Fine, it's yours. I answer first. Oh, but white has played it well here, really. He's got a lot of territory from there. Just give me two eyes, please. Okay, then save me. That's good move, I think. Oh, okay, but still I have to cut. Oh, after I play here, this attach become bad move. I was supposed to just connect. He's playing well, really. Save me. It was supposed to be here. Anyway, it's fine. It's just if I can have a two eyes, then that's okay. Down. Okay, push. I don't. Oh, that's too much. That's obviously too much, I think. I can set up the net, even though you play like that. You want to get the chance to make it that inside, but I think the shape is too big. Hi, welcome. inside here, this. Should I just save instead of making something? 1, 2. It's gonna be Seki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum what he can make is Seki. It can't be better than Seki. So I don't even have to be afraid for life and death of this group. Thank you for following me. What's your decision after this? Thank you for following me. Okay, after 5 seconds, he will start to have a Boyomi.
Overtime countdown has begun.
Oh, finally he need to try something. Is it? Just connect. Even though he caught iconic, then he can play here. After that, he can't get it anywhere. Yeah. You know, I already have 2 eyes. And let me read the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, just use it. It's making me happy now, you can see that. When I push and cut here. And even Atari is my sente. And this Hane is making me very happy. He need to capture like this, right? And he doesn't even have 2 eyes like now. And then push is also even sente. And then even this cutting is making me very happy. You need to connect here. Then I have got a lot of point at the corner. Yeah, right? And then go back to attack this group. And then answer here. What's that? Okay. Jump. They are in big trouble now. Even white group doesn't even have a 1 eye now. Oh, you totally ignore me. I think he wants to... Oh, I think now he will feel very, very, very upset. Oh, he's trying everything, but I can step back here. Oh, thank you so much, Golinsky. Thank you so much, Golinsky, for your supporting. Thank you. Golinsky, you're from Poland, right? Am I right? Sorry, even though I'm wrong, please understand. Thank you so much for your supporting, Willie. Thank you.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, he resigned. Thank you so much, Golinsky, really. Yeah. It's just supporting me a lot. Yeah. Okay, resign now. He played very fast. It made me happy. I can go up quickly. What? Oh, thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Am I right? Yeah, thank you so much for joining Patreon. Thank you so much, really. Yeah, it was not connected with YouTube, but just I saw it from now. Yeah. Okay, let's just start a review. Is my mischecking just now for Patreon? Anyway, thank you for supporting me. Now, when we have a Josegi, yeah, he used to, yeah, oh, this one. He need to defense from two invasion. I can invade here and here. He played so fast. Until now, it was okay. But normally doing those things are not really helping him. Better to just play one space jump and then he can play like actual game. Because in the actual game, when he plays here, he did everything, but he need to take here one more step here. And the game was a bit rushed for white. I was not normally for those kind of game style is like if you know that I think maybe he is good at reading. That's why he is asking opponent to play like this. Then he want to use his reading skill like this and here. Then black is totally broken. Dang 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 dang. Yeah. But if I don't touch anything, black need to spend one more step here. So I catch up the sente. Even black is supposed to just go out. Yeah. Actually it's not black can handle. I mean the white can even play. He doesn't have to give up, but he just keeps surrounding here. Yeah, this was totally wrong direction actually. Even if he can save this group immediately, like he can play this move. Maybe I was also better to push one time there. Then if I just ignore, they are not really helpful for white. Here is much bigger. But this was last two losing move and I can push and extend. Yeah, it was definitely too much. I can capture his group, but this was very good. Yeah, but now my mission, my goal is just saving my groups. Yeah, so that's enough for me. White cannot really set up the net. Black just need to go out to the center, and at the last two he tried really hard to make press black's group, but already this is Seki. Yeah, at the end of the game white was very pity. Yeah, now maybe I think even he may have to give up this group. Yeah, because he was keep having the overplay now. Yeah, it didn't even work. Yeah, all that. Okay, that was nice game really. Then now I can have final game. Finally, I can reach one more game. If I win one more game, then I can go up 8 dan today.